Well, howdy and happy Thursday, Coastal Bend. I'm meteorologist Stephen Jones. Taking a live view from our USS Lexington cam, thanks to First Community Bank, we're waking up to about 72 degrees so far on the board. Winds out of the southeast 16 miles an hour, and both the Harbor Bridge and the aquarium, both my favorite color of green, with a good green glow on the horizon so far under those cloudy skies in our atmosphere. But we're all waking up to the 70s this morning, a little cooler to the southwest, 71 in Freer, Hebbronville, and Falfurrias, but also along the coast, matching that in Port Aransas at 71 degrees. San Diego, you're waking up to about 73, and we're matching that for Robstown and Mathis this morning. But as we look at our dog walking forecast today, we've got Oreo on the board over from Jim Wells County, and says he absolutely loves car rides, and definitely looking like it in this picture. But those temperatures for Oreo's walk aren't going to be too bad either. 78 degrees by 10 a.m. up into the 80s as we're heading into the early afternoon. And of course, the other thing we'll notice about the afternoon, those winds starting to pick up the board, 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts upwards of 35 to even 40 miles an hour in peak winds. So where's the trash can going to end up today? Well, I can't be too sure of where it's going to end up for you today, but with my estimated guess, I'm thinking maybe as far as the neighbor's yard with some of those winds we're going to be seeing today. Morning wind gusts upwards of 25 miles an hour, but like we just talked about, into the afternoon, they're going to be pushing upwards of 35 to 40 miles an hour. As we look into the future tracker, I think we're all of our eyes are going to be on the rain for this weekend. This is going to be our closer range future tracker for today and tomorrow. Maybe just a little bit of drizzly activity, especially by tomorrow morning, maybe even one or two light showers. But in terms of rainfall totals, shouldn't amount to too much as we're going through the day. The better rainfall totals we're looking forward to Saturday night. So here's that longer range guidance right now. You can see starting by tomorrow night, not much across the Corpus Christi area, but into the day on Saturday, maybe a little bit of that light shower activity. So if you have plans, I wouldn't necessarily cancel them, but do keep your eyes on the weather as we head into Saturday night. That's where I would say maybe recommendable to stay inside for us. That's where our first models want to bring in some of that cold front and heavier downpours and thunderstorms to the coastal bend. Also, the Storm Prediction Center has put us in a level 2 out of 5 severe risk, so we could see some very strong winds as this system starts to work into the area. And as we go into Sunday, we're still holding on to some more of that moisture activity. Sunday looking like maybe not as good of a day to be out and about for us, but overall looking like a good drink of rain for the coastal bend, as high as maybe 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch on the safe side. But some of those higher totals have been appearing in the past couple of hours, so definitely keeping our eyes on it, and want to keep your eye on it as we're heading through the weekend. But here's how it's all shaping out on that 7-day forecast. A couple chances of rain on the board as we get ready to spring forward Saturday night, with the main event by Saturday night into Sunday morning. And as we head into the first half of next week, we're on the warm-up chasing